Welcome to Chain Reaction by Capital Copilot, your daily dose of the latest in cryptocurrency news, market insights, and blockchain trends. Let's get started. Bitcoin breaks above $94,000 and XRP surges 11% as institutional flows return to crypto markets. Goldman Sachs upgrades Coinbase while regulatory clarity drives the next phase of adoption. Bitcoin rallied past $94,000 on January 6th, reaching its highest level in 6 weeks and adding nearly $100 billion to total crypto market capitalization. The surge was powered by the largest Bitcoin ETF inflows in 3 months, with $697 million flowing into spot products on Monday alone. This marks a dramatic reversal from the late 2025 pattern when US trading hours consistently drained crypto prices. Institutional demand has now accumulated $1.2 billion across the first 2 trading days of 2026, signaling capitulation conditions are fading. Morgan Stanley filed for its own spot Bitcoin ETF on January 6th, reinforcing confidence in regulated Bitcoin products. XRP dominated Monday's trading with an 11% gain to $2.40, breaking through multi-week resistance on heavy volume. The rally was driven by extraordinary ETF demand, with XRP products attracting $483 million in recent weeks and surpassing $1 billion in cumulative inflows in less than 2 months since their November launch. That's the fastest adoption rate for any altcoin ETF in history. On-chain data shows XRP held on exchanges has dropped to multi-year lows, indicating fewer tokens available for sale. With SEC Commissioner Caroline Crenshaw's exit and improving regulatory sentiment, analysts suggest XRP could challenge its all-time high of $3.84. Goldman Sachs upgraded Coinbase to buy with a $303 price target, citing the exchange's successful diversification beyond transaction fees. 40% of Coinbase revenue now comes from subscriptions and services, including custody, staking, and stablecoins. The bank projects 12% annual revenue growth through 2027, outpacing peer estimates. Coinbase shares jumped 8% to $255 following the upgrade. Strategy, formerly MicroStrategy, purchased an additional 1,287 Bitcoin, bringing total holdings to 673,000 BTC worth over $62 billion. However, the company faces potential MSCI index delisting within 10 days, which could trigger up to $8.8 billion in stock outflows, according to JP Morgan analysis. Despite accumulating 22,000 Bitcoin in December alone, Strategy shares have declined over 50% in 2025. Japan's finance minister declared 2026 the digital year and announced support for integrating cryptocurrency trading with stock exchanges. The government is advancing plans to reclassify crypto under securities law and implement tax reforms by the fiscal year 2026. Meanwhile, both the SEC and CFTC now operate under exclusive Republican leadership following Crenshaw's departure, accelerating pro-crypto policies, but raising concerns among Senate Democrats negotiating comprehensive market structure legislation. That's a wrap for today's edition of Chain Reaction by Capital Copilot. We hope you're feeling more informed and ready to navigate the cryptoverse. Until next time, keep your digital wallets ready.